Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the TF run.
Beatbox.
The TF run is also a filler sound which can also be used to make your beats sound more technical. The TF run is very similar to outward T case, but here we replace the outward K snare with the F hi-hat to get the sound. So before you guys learn the TF run, I expect you guys to know both the simple hi-hat and the F hi-hat. And if you guys don't know to do any of these sounds, check out the dedicated tutorial links in the description below. And after you guys have both the simple hi-hat and the F hi-hat broken down, the next step is to combine them together to get the TF run. Like and after you guys get the sound, a simple groovy pattern would be and another practice pattern would be and also you can do this sound by keeping the F hi-hat as the core sound, like instead of, and a practice pattern to do this sound would be And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with this sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.